Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold on empty space and then click edit or plus at the left top. Oh, sorry. Then scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say I prefer this one, so I'm just click add widget and I can check a battery level. But there's a second option and a better options for me is to use an application. So just open it and right here at the top we can check a battery level of our headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.